In this video, we'll show how security teams can quickly enable the use of generative AI tools using Netzilo in just under 5 minutes. One of the most common enterprise uses for LLMs like GPT is for developers using them as coding assistants. However, developers often upload source codes, which can potentially leak confidential data and intellectual property. With Netzilo, security teams can enable access to these tools while protecting private company data. To achieve this, we'll create a browsing profile and roll it out to all users. When applying our controls, note that we are not introducing a new web browser, but protecting the ones already in use by enterprise users. Unlike CASB solutions, we do not intercept or decrypt SSL traffic, nor do we redirect it to a third-party cloud. Instead, we'll use the Netzilo Secure Browser extension to turn any browser into an enterprise-grade browser. Let's create an access control profile to restrict the uploading of source code and other confidential data to websites and roll it out to all users. Click on Restrict Content, and for now, select Uploading Source Code. While the data labels on this screen are not required for this demo, it's good practice to restrict access to classified data by default. Let's name the profile GenAI and SaaS Default Security and activate it. Done. Now let's see how it works from the end user's perspective. It will work with any browser, but we'll start with Firefox. We'll visit ChatGPT and try to upload some code. Users can generate and view examples of code, but when they try to upload source code to the AI, they'll be blocked. Let's paste some classified code into ChatGPT. As you can see, Netzilo blocks the user from pasting classified data into GPT. Let's try attaching a file instead of pasting content. The file upload is blocked as well. The content detection is powered by an advanced AI model, not simply based on file extension analysis. The security controls are enforced across all installed browsers. Now, let's use Chrome and try to email source code via Gmail. Netzilo will protect the classified data here as well. What about exceptional cases? What if some users need temporary access? Netzilo allows us to define exceptions for this scenario. Let's return to our profile and define some exceptions. We'll take it a step further and make the profile more restrictive by disabling the viewing of source code on AI sites. Now, we'll allow temporary access for 5 minutes for the All Users group. I'm saving the changes and they're instantly pushed. Let's return to ChatGPT. You can click on the Netzilo browser extension icon in your browser and see the site's security card. Here, both source code uploads and downloads are restricted. There's also a pause button, visible only when exceptions are allowed for the user in the policy. Let's generate some sample source code. As you can see, due to the view code restriction, the code is blocked by Netzilo and the user is notified. Now, we'll request an exception, typing in the reason for our request. The user is granted 5 minutes of unrestricted browsing, allowing them to view the code. When the time is up, the restrictions are automatically restored, or the user can manually restore them. With just a few clicks, we've enabled controlled use of GenAI tools for our developer user base. Thanks for watching this use case demo. Stay tuned for more hands-on use cases with Netzilo.